Hello. Okay, hello, it's me, Allie, a domestic wannabe. I am one day out from doing the Twin Cities 10 mile and oh, it's backwards. And yes, I wore my medal around the house today because when else am I gonna get to? So I really did not want to miss the opportunity to have a video for me to remember my whole 10-mile race journey for the first time. So I did do a rush video in regards to, I knew I still have cleaning videos to do in our 10 weeks till Thanksgiving series. I have several videos to do. I've got them started, and instead of just finishing those, I wanted to do my 10 miles. So you saw that today. I did that this morning. It is now the afternoon, and I just wanted to give you an update on where I'm at. So my weeks basically go Tuesday through Monday. Today is Monday. From Friday through Sunday, I was getting ready for my race. I was just getting things in order for that, which means house stuff didn't get done. Now I want my weekends off anyway, but even going into the weekend, things just didn't get done. And then on top of that, I didn't do any of the maintenance things I would try to do on the weekend, dishes, things like that. So since nothing was done, I do need to do a little bit of catch up still. So I have not gotten my deep cleaning done for week 8, and I'm going to get that done tonight. I'm going to do it in one chunk. And what I'm finding with my schedule is the 15 minutes a day is harder for me to come by than usual. So to wrap up week 8, I am going to start doing some deep cleaning of the bathrooms. And if I have a opportunity to, I'm going to kind of do a fast house reset, because my goal is to have Mondays be my house reset day. I am learning with my work schedule, I might have to do it on Sunday afternoons, even though I want that to be family time. So we're gonna see what we can do. My goal is to do so I have an hour and 15 minutes of deep cleaning. I have 3 bathrooms that I want to have done, and my son's bedroom, which I decluttered last week. The bathrooms don't have a lot of decluttering to do because there's not a ton stored in them. They're all kind of like extra bathrooms. And I say extra because the bathroom that needs decluttering is the master bathroom, and that one's not on the list. This is just the other bathrooms that are in our house. I have about 15 minutes of decluttering that I could also do. So a total of an hour and a half that I'm planning on getting done right now. So I just wanted to say, I am a 10-mile finisher. If you've already watched the video, thank you. I've watched it like 3 times, and I tear up every single time. Anyway, I'm not gonna wear this to clean because I don't want it to get chemicals on it. And we're gonna get started. We're not wasting time chit-chatting. Let's go do this.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination.
So you didn't quite see it there, but I did just almost gag when I pulled that seat off of the hooks. So if you don't pull your toilet seat off of the hooks, there's a lot of stuff underneath there that you think you're getting everything clean, and it turns out if you forget to actually pull the seat off entirely, there's quite a bit of stuff you don't want under there. So I pulled it off, and luckily I cut my head off in the video so you don't see me gagging, but I got it all clean, and I have now added that to my regular, not deep cleaning routine. It is now going to be a part of my regular every week house reset, pulling the seat off and cleaning under there because gross. Anyway, I moved from bathroom to bathroom, and these 3 bathrooms, because they are spare bathrooms, they don't have a lot of stuff to have to clean around. They don't have a ton of decorations that you have to clean around. So they're really generally very easy to keep clean and to clean when it comes time for cleaning. So I just went through and made sure I wiped down. Obviously, I cleaned all the toilets, and I worked in the showers. These showers mainly get used during the summer season when we have guests over, swimming, that kind of thing. So I went through and I decluttered this one by getting rid of, small bottles of shampoo, conditioner, things that were empty. Got rid of all of that stuff, and then gave it a good wipe down. So I'm using microfiber towels and a disinfecting spray. Anyway, in this lower bathroom that I am working on, it felt so good to be deep cleaning, but as I was going through, I did decide that I still had 15 minutes of my declutter time from week 8. So I decided to do a little bit of decluttering in the cabinets. Now you can see we don't have a lot of stuff in there, so in this lower cabinet, so that was super easy. But we do store linens and like guest toiletries and things. And again, pull that toilet seat off. It was so easy, and I don't know why I have not been doing that. I think I was afraid I was going to like snap something or break something. And by mistake, up in the first bathroom, I accidentally, it just kind of tugged off, and I was like, oh, that is insanely simple. So literally just give your toilet seat a tug and it should come right off. I assume most toilet seats are the same. So very simple to do. I did decide to go and work on reorganizing this and just decluttering it. We have a lot of small toiletries that when I did a lot of traveling, I would always just take the unused shampoos and conditioners, and then I put them in this guest bathroom, but nobody really uses them, so I decided it was time to just toss those. And while I was decluttering, my dad gave me a call, so we were chatting while I was working, and I just really feel happy with what I was able to move out of this space. I left, I had bought in travel size things for, again, when guests are over, they have something if they need it, if they didn't bring it, they can use what we have in here. And I feel really good about what I decluttered in there. It's not a bathroom that's used all the time. But when it is, it's just so nice to have it available space. Like, it's not super cluttered. I did go through some of the linens that you're going to see in the lower cabinet. We store the guest room sheets and stuff down there. I tell you, it just felt really good. And if you are working on this same project that I am working on, I hope you are feeling as good as I am. I am keeping up with the decluttering, but the filming and recording is a little bit behind. But you can see what I decluttered in less than 15 minutes working in this one bathroom, and it feels good. So I hope you're feeling good too, and I will be back with another video in just a few days.